Welcome, guys. It's me. It's been a while, but I'm back. I'm back with more. Yeah, I've been working a lot lately, so I cannot push the amount of content that I did before. But if you like the content I make, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That way, I will push myself to make time, and work till late hours. So, yeah, enough talk. Today, I'm going to react to a song from Metallica called Ride the Lightning. It's the title track, and it's been suggested by Eugene. I think you've been waiting for that one, huh? So today is the day, my friend. I'm going to listen to Ride the Lightning. A lot of people told me from this album that's one of their favorites. So I've been listening to a few of their songs, and I cannot wait to hear what this will sound like. So in 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Very descriptive. Wow. It really paints a picture of it, how something like that will be. Can you imagine just sitting there in a chair and then knowing that it will be your end? Burning in my brain. Wow. I can only imagine how much it must hurt. Man. Yeah, now it's time to die. Woo! Oh yeah, switch up. The riffs, yes. Woo! Wait, was that someone screaming in the background of agony? Really sounds like someone in the electric chair. Whoa, slow down. That riff. Wow, I love the sound of this part a lot. So I'll Go back a bit. How did they transition? I love this. I love it. No. No. Solo time. Fuck yeah. No way. This guy. What? No way. Are you kidding me? How long did that solo last? 2 minutes or something? My brain got fried, as if I was on an electric chair. It brought me places, that solo. I was talking about the riff in the background, and then I got mind blown with electricity of that solo. Whoa, I'm speechless. Just look at my mouth, man. Look at my mouth. I don't think I'll be able to change this face. My jaw has dropped from this epic solo. And I'll wear this face with pride. Man, Kirk, you're something else. One of the best solos I've heard in my life. Maybe the best solo. Come on. I have to re-listen to that. Sorry, I know it takes a lot of minutes, but man, I'm actually not sorry. I have to re-listen this 3, 4, 5 times. Yeah? I'll start from the beginning. That riff. So simple, but so effective. I freaking love this. Again. thought it was over, this happened. Electric chair. Heavy ass riff. Die. That riff again, maybe? Nope. Just stops. Drumming though. Let's go, Lars. No, this ended. What a masterpiece. What a masterpiece. But damn, that solo, that middle part was killing, electrifying. For all the stabbing that I've done in my life, if I have to get the electric chair, please turn on some Metallica and put that solo just before you flick the switch. Oh man, I really love that song, that part. It's so good that I think I have to listen that again, you know? Yeah, I do. Maybe not all, but the beginning is so hard. Whew. Shit. Just the emotion of those notes that he plays, it's perfect, you know? so much emotion in that build up. Starts with that heavy ass, badass riff in the background, and then the solo. It builds up so good. It's like every note he plays is thought of. It's like he wasn't talking with his guitar. He was talking with his soul. His soul was doing the playing. Man, every note was perfect. And then the fast build up, and then it's like, yeah, the electric chair. Oh man, correct, you did it. You might play your best solo ever. Yeah, guys, what do I have to say? What do I have to say more? Nothing. It's just pure genius from Metallica. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys next time.